Greetings, I'm the Timeshare Traveler, and today I'm doing a quick update on the Timeshare Traveler Training. I call it scam therapy. And first up, really what I want to talk about is education is the best way best way to get the best value out of your timeshares. And I've created a series of training videos, and I encourage you to learn them, take them. And so anyway, I call it scam therapy. And the top reason people feel scammed by timeshares. Number one, I don't have the points to book what I want. That's not at all what the presentation was like. Everything I want takes more points. They tell me I have to buy more if I want to do what I want to do. And why didn't they tell me during the presentation? That's probably the one I hear the most. The second most is nothing I want is available when I want it. Called to book a vacation for next month and nothing's available. I was told having a vacation was easy. Well, typical timeshares, the further out you can book, the better it is. But they don't tell you that during the buying process, and people feel scammed because of it. There are no resorts where I want to stay. They told me there were timeshares everywhere, but not where I want to go. Well, again, I've got some training videos on exchanges and how you can get to more places than just what's in your timeshare network. And the last one is the website's confusing. Don't know how to book it, not sure how to use it. They often end up calling and trying to guess what should be done. They don't know how to do a search, and I try to address that in my training. Let me talk about now the solutions that I've tried to come up with. Okay, so I guess my solution is training. Getting the last laugh is what I sarcastically say it, but really it's about you, not about trying to get even with the company. It's about you getting finally what you paid for. What I recommend is you sign up for my training to help get the last laugh. I have Marriott, Hilton, and WorldMark training. Links in the description. It's $2.99 for the basic, how to search. But I recommend the higher $4.99 because I talk about the exchanges and things like that. And I'm adding more videos, 2 or 3 a month to help you with different training based on feedback I get from the people that are my members. And just to give you a sense of why I want to get you to do this, I have about 15 to 20 weeks and it depends on how I slice it up. That's why I give you a range of points that I actually own. But I live full time in timeshares, so more than 3 times, almost 3 times, probably 3 times what I actually have points for. I'm able to do by stretching my points, by using cash, by not having to buy more points. So I've got a lot of experience doing it, and I want to share as much of that as I can. I'm really trying to figure out how to best help people. And I've created this training classes. It's a lot of work, so I'm just asking for a minimum amount per month to try to offset the costs. And then I'm also getting feedback from the people to make it better and better. So the answer to there's no resorts where I want to stay. Learn how to use the exchange systems. Learn how to search for resorts. There's just sometimes people just don't know how to do the searches within their system, so I have that capability. Plus, the exchanges allow me to either not necessarily use my points because I can sometimes just use cash. I don't have the points to book what I want. Well, that would be, you could argue that I don't have the points to book what I want because I want to live full time in timeshares, but I only have 15 to 20 weeks. So that's the same problem on maybe a larger scale. So I learned how to stretch my points. I learned how to book with cash that actually is less than my maintenance fees. If I were to book the same thing using my maintenance fees or my points, which is equivalent to the cost of the maintenance fees, it's sometimes cheaper the way I do that. And I try to show people how to do that. Nothing I want is available when I want it. Well, I teach people how to search the website. Also, the general rule is the further out you can book, the better off you are. You can always cancel in most cases. There are rules about cancellations, but that's what I can do. And again, I've also got searches on how to compare rooms. So you can look at, like, maybe there's 4 resorts, like in Hilton, I think there's 4 resorts in the Hilton Waikoloa village area, and they're all interconnected with a bus that goes every 30 minutes. So you kind of can go to all of them by staying at any of them. So compare the room prices. What's the benefits? Who's got the better pools? Who's got, depending on what matters to you. you can do that. And so I try to show you how you compare that, and I do something similar, I think, for Marriott in in um, Maui. So I've got several searches for that. And just again, it's just demos, and actually screen scrape and show you how to do that. The website is confusing. Again, I try to create demos just to show you how to use either the Marriott, the Hilton, or the Hilton Vacation Club, or the WorldMark. Try to show you how to do that. Again, my goal is to get people trained to get more benefit out of that, and I've created a bunch of videos, hopefully, that will do that. And anyway, hope you can join. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already.
Hi, this is Cliff, and I'm the Timeshare Traveler. Welcome to my channel. The purpose of my channel is to educate those who love traveling in timeshares. I've been an owner for 15 plus years at timeshare ownership. I have elite ownership with Marriott, Hilton, and WorldMark. I have published over 100 timeshare video reviews, and I've published over 95 timeshare tips. I can be found on Facebook at Timeshare Trav, at Twitter Timeshare Trav, and on the web at www.timesharetraveler.com.